rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so I appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
You them on? What you got running there, man?
Got a 3 XV315s on 2 JP63s strapped. Box is wired 1.33 amps. You're seeing 0.67 bass.
You got this thing looking good in here, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
How you holding this thing together? It's got a wood roof under there?
It's got about 400 mils of deadener under it.
Oh, you got plenty of it. I know there's been a lot of movement going on.
There used to be.
It was going crazy with it. That you couldn't deal with that.
No, hell no.
Are you on social media anywhere they can follow you?
Yeah, I go by Red Light Terror on YouTube, Instagram.
Okay, y'all be sure to give him a follow. We're going to be sure to tag him in the video. That's good thing, bro.
Yeah, you too, man.
What's the next show you going to?
Probably the Dirty Bass show.
Yeah. When is that one? I know I heard of it, but I can't remember when it was.
It's in August, July or August.
Okay, I'm going to try to see you again there, bro.
Yeah, all right, man.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate
Did you get your picture? You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so I appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.